Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your science class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter Our Earth, today you have to do some activities. Like you have to paste one globe in your classwork copy, that is classwork notebook, beside where you have written 5 question answers. Last day I have shared you 5 question answers. 5 questions with answers. 2 questions are from your back of the chapter and 3 question that is extra. Okay, that is from inside the chapter I have shared 3 more questions. Total 5 questions with answers. Where you have written this question answer, beside that on the white page you have to paste the picture of a globe. Okay, the picture of the globe is given on page number 69. You have to xerox it and then you will paste it on your classwork notebook on white page beside where you have written question answer. Okay, then turn the page, you will get another white page. On that page I am sharing landforms. You have read about landforms, different landforms on the earth that you have to draw and color it. So landform, the sketch of the landform I have shared in the VASA map. From there you will collect and draw the sketch of the landforms and you have to color it. So see, this is the landforms. Okay, and you have to write the names of all landforms drawn. That means you have to label it. You have to write the names of the landforms. That means you have to label it. Mountains, you have to write mountains, hills, rivers, plains, desert, all this you have to write. Okay, so you have to color with color pencil, otherwise you cannot write. So for eyes you can put light blue for eyes. Okay, snow capped mountain. For mountain you will use brown color. Deep brown is for mountain, light brown is for hills. Okay, deep brown is for mountains, light brown is for hills. And snow capped mountain, for snow you can use light blue color. Okay, next river, for river you can use light blue color. And then for plains you can use green color, light green. Within that you can give some bushes with dark green, light green for the plains. And you will draw some bushes on the plain, so that you can use, there you can use deep green, right? And then for desert, you will use yellow color. You will use, sand is yellow, so that you will use yellow color for desert. And for the cactus you will use deep green color. Okay, so that I have given how you will color. And you will margin this. First you will margin, then sketch, then color it, and then label it. Okay, so students, like this you have to complete your landforms. Landforms like that you have to complete. And this landforms, where are you going to do? You are going to do in your classwork notebook as well as in your activity scrap copy. Okay, and then one thing more, for one activity that you have to do in the scrap copy that is given on page number 72. See, turn page number 72 and see the activity designing with leaves. Okay, collect leaves of different shapes and sizes. Do not pluck them from plants. If if you will not find any fallen leaves, then you can pluck the leaves from the plants. Okay, paste them on a sheet of paper. That means paste them on the scrap copy. Where you are going to do? In your scrap copy you are going to do. So on the sheet of paper in the scrap copy you will paste in such a way that imagination create. You have to create an imagination, create an animal or people or anything. Okay, use your imagination. Think two creations already given, that is a girl and a swan. Two creation already given. One more creation you have to imagine and paste it, make it. Okay, so use your imagination to create animal or people out of this leaves. Already two is given. This two you will paste it with the help of the different shaped leaves, and one you have to paste the creation of your own. Your imagine, first to imagine and then you will paste it. Okay, so one imagination should be yours. And students, like this, how many you are going to do? You have to complete 3 pictures. Okay, you have to complete 3 pictures out of leaves. You have to make the creations in your scrap copy. This creation should be in your scrap copy, right? So students, complete this. Then how many things you have to do in activities? First, you will xerox the picture of globe, and you have to paste the cutout of globes in your class notebook. Then you will draw the landforms. The sketch I have shared it, and from there you will sketch, draw, then you will color it with your color pencils, and then you have to label it. Okay, this is complete. Now in your take out your scrap copy. There you will do the activities that is given on page number 72, right? So students, this is what for today's classwork, and the class ends here. So good day students.